Hey guys, welcome to another Swell Enterprise tutorial. Today we're going to dig into Workroom. The Workroom module, if you're familiar with Trello, is very similar to where you can create different boards and cards within various boards. So to get started, go ahead and click on the top three dots here in the upper navigation. If you've already shortlisted this on your sidebar, you can navigate to it from there. Once you click on the three dots, go ahead and click on Collaboration, and then click on View Workroom. So Workroom is a great place, in my opinion, to document your systems and processes, or maybe your marketing calendars. There's several different use cases. You can also use them for projects if you choose. So to get started, go ahead and click on Add Board. And we're going to go ahead and give this board a title. So let's just say Processes. If you choose to, you can attach it to a project, but you don't need to. You can also choose what users have access to this. So I'll go ahead and choose a couple different users here. If this board has a start date and an end date, you can assign those, as well as a board description. So we'll just say something for documenting processes. And you can add a note if you choose. I'm going to go ahead and leave these fields blank and go ahead and click on Create New Board. Once you have that new board created, go ahead and click on the new board, and we'll go ahead and start adding different lists. So let's think of, because this is a processes board, let's think of the different services that my company may provide. So for example, let's say web design. I'll go ahead and add that list, and I'll do another one for SEO, and I can continue that out. Now again, if you're using this for like a marketing calendar, this could be Q1 and Q2, or January, February, and so on. Next, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and start adding cards. So let's add a card here and say Setup Hosting. All right, we'll go ahead and click on Add Card. And then I can add another one here for Setup WordPress. All right, now once I'm done adding a few cards here, you can simply click on one of the cards and you'll have additional information that you can fill out here. So this could be a description on this card. We'll say, this process helps with setting up hosting. I'll go ahead and save that. Now I can add comments to my team. And again, I can assign this to certain team members. But what I really want to draw your attention to is the checklist option. So let's add a checklist, and we'll say to-do. So this is going to be a to-do checklist, and I'm going to go ahead and start adding items. So we'll say gather domain information from client. We'll save that. We'll add another one here for set up DNS records for domain to point to hosting. And I'll add one more here, set up hosting account with vendor. And so now as my team is starting to work through this process, again, they can add comments if they choose. You can assign a due date for this or add attachments, but they can come in and they can start actually marking off the to-do lists as they're working through your process. So this is a quick overview on the Workroom and kind of what you're able to accomplish with it. Now again, there's several different use cases with this, so feel free to use your imagination here. This is just one of the ways that we use it. If you have any questions, go ahead and reach us at the bottom of the right-hand corner of the chat window. We'd love to be of help to you.